Don't know what to make for dinner? Looking for quick and easy recipes with just a few ingredients? This is your video. Today at Cookinglandia, we'll give you 5 ideas for quick dinners in under 10 minutes. But before we continue, remember that if you enjoy our content, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to our channel. It really helps us a lot. Feeling tired after eating all weekend? What better way to end your Monday than with a delicious quick vegetable stir-fry with soy sauce? A healthy, colorful, and flavorful dish that's ready in just 10 minutes. Perfect as a light dinner or as a side for chicken, fish, or tofu. For this recipe, you'll only need 2 cups of mixed vegetables, which can be fresh or frozen, such as broccoli, carrot, bell pepper, zucchini, or mushrooms. 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. 1 tablespoon of vegetable or sesame oil. Optional for garnish: sesame seeds, green onion, or a squeeze of lime juice. And a large skillet or wok. Don't worry about writing them down. We've left them in the description of this video, along with the others. Wash and cut the fresh vegetables into thin strips or small pieces, or if using frozen ones, thaw them slightly. Heat the oil in a wok or skillet over medium-high heat. Add the vegetables and stir-fry for 3 to 5 minutes, stirring constantly until tender but still crisp. Add the soy sauce, mix well for 1 to 2 minutes, then remove from heat. And serve hot. To finish, here are some tips and variations for a different dish. For extra protein, add strips of chicken, tofu, shrimp, or thinly sliced beef. For more flavor, add a minced garlic clove and small piece of freshly grated ginger to the oil before the vegetables. For an authentic Asian touch, finish with toasted sesame seeds or a few drops of dark sesame oil. If you like it spicy, include slices of fresh chili or a few drops of Tabasco sauce. Our second option is a cheese and herb omelette. A quick, nutritious, and delicious classic that can be prepared in under 10 minutes. Perfect for a light dinner or even an energizing breakfast. You will only need 2 large eggs, 1/3 cup of grated cheese such as cheddar, mozzarella, or your preferred type, a tablespoon of chopped fresh herbs like parsley, chives, basil, or a mix, and optionally a tablespoon of butter for cooking, plus salt and pepper to taste. You will also need a medium non-stick skillet, a spatula, a small bowl, and a fork or whisk. Now let's prepare it. In a bowl, whisk the eggs with a pinch of salt and pepper until well combined and frothy. Heat the skillet over medium heat with the butter. Pour in the beaten eggs and cook for 1 to 2 minutes until the edges start to set. Sprinkle the cheese and herbs over half of the omelette. Carefully fold it and cook for 1 to 2 more minutes until the cheese melts. And serve hot. Now it's time to give you some tips and variations. For extra creaminess, add 1 tablespoon of milk or cream to the eggs before whisking. For a gourmet touch, use fresh herbs like dill or tarragon and serve with a green salad. For an extra protein version, add pieces of ham, turkey, or cooked chicken. And for a lighter texture, cook the omelette covered for 1 minute to make it fluffier. Perfect, our third dish is ideal for midweek, quick tomato soup. A creamy, comforting soup ready in just a few minutes using basic pantry ingredients. Perfect to pair with toasted bread or a grilled cheese sandwich. With very few ingredients, you'll get 2 servings of this delicious dinner. You only need 1½ cups of tomato puree, which can be from a carton, canned, or crushed. 3/4 cup of vegetable or chicken broth. 1/4 cup of cream or evaporated milk. And optionally, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, dried herbs like oregano or basil, and salt and pepper to taste. Simply mix the tomato puree with the broth in a pot and heat over medium heat for 5 minutes, stirring occasionally. Add the cream or evaporated milk and mix well until fully incorporated. Cook for 2 to 3 more minutes without bringing it to a strong boil. Adjust the seasoning with salt and pepper. And serve hot with a drizzle of olive oil or fresh herbs on top. For this recipe, we also have some tips and variations. For a creamier version, add 1 tablespoon of cream cheese or a little extra cream at the end. To make it spicy, simply add a pinch of chili powder or a few drops of hot sauce. For a Mediterranean touch, add fresh basil or a bit of dried oregano during cooking. And for a more gourmet express version, Serve with garlic toasted bread croutons or a drizzle of pesto. And after a light dinner, let's add some calories to power through the last day of a week with this fascinating garlic and oil pasta. A classic of Italian cuisine, simple, aromatic, and ready in 10 minutes. Perfect for a quick dinner with few ingredients, but plenty of flavor. We will use 200 grams or 7 ounces of pasta, such as spaghetti, or your preferred type. 3 large garlic cloves, thinly sliced. 3 tablespoons of olive oil. And optional but recommended, 1/2 teaspoon of crushed red pepper flakes, chopped fresh parsley, and grated Parmesan cheese. Boil the pasta in salted water according to the time indicated on the package until al dente. Don't waste it, reserve about 1/2 cup of the cooking water. In a large skillet, heat the olive oil over low-medium heat. Add the sliced garlic and the chili if using. Sauté for 1 to 2 minutes until the garlic is golden and fragrant but not burnt. Drain the pasta and add it to the skillet along with a splash of the reserved water. Toss well until the pasta is coated with the garlic oil. And serve immediately with fresh parsley and Parmesan. Let's add some tips and variations. For creamier pasta, add 1 tablespoon of butter at the end for shine and smoothness. For extra protein, pair with sautéed shrimp or strips of chicken. If you want a spicy version, don't forget the chili flakes. They give the classic arrabbiata kick. And for a gourmet touch, finish with a sprinkle of lemon zest for an incredible freshness. Great, let's end the week in a simple way with quick mini pizzas. A classic express option for dinners or snacks, mini pizzas made with sandwich bread, pita bread, or tortillas. They're ready in minutes and can be customized with whatever ingredients you have on hand. We will use, for slices of sandwich bread or pita bread, tortillas, or buns split in half. For tablespoons of tomato sauce. 80 grams or 3 ounces of grated cheese, such as mozzarella or a pizza blend. And for optional toppings, sliced tomato, ham, pepperoni, olives, mushrooms, fresh basil. Place the bread on a baking tray or skillet and spread 1 tablespoon of tomato sauce on each slice. Add grated cheese and your preferred toppings on top. Cook in the oven or air fryer, 180 degrees Celsius, 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 6 to 8 minutes until the cheese melts and browns. Or cook on the stovetop. Cover and cook over medium heat for 5 minutes until the bread is crispy and the cheese is melted. And let's finish our last dish with some tips and variations. For extra crispiness, lightly toast the bread before adding the toppings. Healthy version. Use whole grain bread, low-fat cheese, and vegetables as toppings. Sweet mini pizzas. Try a bread base with hazelnut spread and slices of banana or strawberry. For parties, prepare different versions, ham, vegetarian, pepperoni, and serve on a tray. And that's it. We hope you enjoyed these dishes as much as we did. Don't forget to follow us and turn on notifications. For more recipes and culinary articles, visit Cookinglandia.com. See you next time.